This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by booting into safe mode or Windows recovery environment so system files aren't locked. Once in, sign in with an administrator account and open an elevated command prompt. Then, make sure to capture the exact SRT trail. TXT message so you know if it's a boot manager, disk, or file corruption issue. This matters because the root cause decides the next commands. Now that you have access and the error details, proceed to targeted repair commands. You'll run disk and system repairs in sequence to address most causes. First, execute chkdskc/f/r to repair file system and bad sectors. Be patient, it can take a long time. Next, run dism to repair the component store, followed by sfc/scano to restore protected files. If the SRT trail message indicates bootloader failure, rebuild the BCD using bootrec commands. Once done, reboot to test. You finish by testing boot and confirming stability. If Windows still fails, run startup repair from the recovery environment and rerun the earlier commands. If errors persist, restore a recent system restore point or perform a reset while keeping files. Make sure to check hardware next. Use Windows Memory Diagnostic for RAM and manufacturer tools or Smart Data for drives. If a drive or RAM fault appears, replace it. One key tip: always have backups before resets or hardware swaps to prevent data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.